Everything you need in one complete set. This Milwaukee PVC shear kit includes an M12 plastic pipe shear, M12 red lithium battery, 30-minute charger, and carrying case. The variable speed trigger with reverse can cut up to 2 inches of Schedule 40 PVC in just 3 seconds. While the all-metal planetary drive delivers over 200 cuts per charge, additional features include a durable aluminum jaw, impact, water, and dust resistance, an onboard fuel gauge that displays remaining run time. The tool's specs are as follows: 12 volts, 1,900 pounds torque, cut capacity 2 inches PVC, 3 mm reinforced stainless steel blade, onboard storage 14/3 inches overall length, and overall weight of 4.7 pounds. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. It includes pipe shear, battery, charger, and carrying case. Number 2. Ultra-sharp blade with pierce point. Number 3. Impact, water, and rust resistant. Number 4. Overall weight, 4.7 pounds. Number 5. Overall length, 14/3 inches. Number 6. Powerful mechanism. Cuts up to 2 inches Schedule 40 PVC in 3 seconds. Ultra-sharp blade with pierce point. No burrs or shavings to remove. Number 7. Offset blade. Cuts PVC, PEX in wall, in ground, or close to wall. Quick return blade. Increased productivity during repetitive cuts. All-metal planetary drive. Delivers over 200 cuts per charge. Number 8. Stainless steel blade and aluminum jaw. Impact, water, and rust resistant. Number 9. Variable speed trigger. Controlled cut in warm or cold weather. Number 10. Onboard fuel gauge. Displays remaining run time. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.